So let's talk a little bit more about functions, what this word is. Functions are going to be used throughout the class. Functions are what make a programming language do stuff. We've talked about the print function when we did the Hello World assignment. Okay, so we print whatever we put inside the parentheses gets printed to the screen. So the print function is probably the most commonly used function in all of Python. Right? So if I want to print something, whatever I put in the parentheses gets printed. You can recognize a function in Python because it's going to have parentheses. Sometimes the parentheses are going to be empty, but you still have to have them because that's what tells Python this is a function and not a variable. Because if I type print without those parentheses, it's going to think that I'm trying to create a variable called print. It won't like that, and it'll yell at me because print is a reserved word. But you want to always think if it's a function, it's got to have parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have what are called parameters defined. Now, parameters are placeholders for information that you're going to give to that function. For example, the first parameter in print is called an object. That's required. The object is the thing you're going to print. So I'm going to give the print function an argument of hello world that goes into the parameter, the slot for that argument or that information that tells print what it is it's going to print. By the way, this is a screen capture of the function reference that's in Python that's linked to from Canvas. So if you want to go back and look at what are the details of all of these functions, that's all in there. So this is exactly what you'll see if you go into that function reference.